everyone, myself Amrita. I am studying in 7th class. Today I am going to say something about triangles and some important statements on triangles. First, let's study about triangles and some basics of triangles. This is a triangle. So first, sides of triangle. AB, BC and AC are sides of triangles. In sides, we are having only three sides of triangles. Vertices, when two lines meet at a point, that is known as vertices. Here A, B, C are vertices. Here also we have three vertices. Angles. Angles, we have only in angles only one vertex. So in the case of B, we are having A, B, C and C, B, A. This is one angle. And for second angle, if we take A as common point, we take BAC or CAB. Now if we take C, we get ACB or BCA. This is some basic points of triangles. Now let's study about the types of triangles which are based on sides and also an angle. In sides we have three types of triangles and in angles also we have three types of triangles. In sides we have first equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle all sides are equal. And in isosceles triangle only two sides are equal. And the base side is not equal. In scalene triangle all sides are not equal. And in angles we have acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, one angle must be acute. And in right angle triangle, one angle must be right angle. And opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. In obtuse angle triangle, one angle should be obtuse angle. So now let's study about some statements, some important statements on triangles. So now friends, we are going to study some important statements on triangles. We have four statements on triangle, that is midpoint theorem, basic proportionality theorem, Pythagorean theorem, vertical angle bisector theorem. So first studying about midpoint theorem, the line segment which joins the midpoint of any two sides is parallel to the third side and also half of it. Now I have taken a triangle and drawn a line. This is the line segment PQ. Now this is the parallel to third side and also half of it. This condition is satisfied for triangle is nothing, then it is known as midpoint theorem. Here you can see PQ is parallel to BC and also it is half of BC. So this is about midpoint theorem. Now let's study about basic proportionality theorem. So now we are going to study about basic proportionality theorem. In this theorem, the line is drawn parallel to any two sides of a triangle. Then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Here you can see AD divided by DB. AD divided by DB equals to AD by EC. I have written this statement because here we can see that line is drawn parallel to any two sides of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. It means the line that is drawn here is a parallel to third side and also this line is dividing these two sides in the same ratio. So I have written AD by DB equals AE by EC. This is about basic proportionality theorem. Now let's study about Pythagorean theorem. Now let's study about Pythagorean theorem. This Pythagorean theorem is only applicable for right angle triangle. What I have written? In a right angle triangle, the squares of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Here we have one hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but which is opposite to the right angle. Here right angle is B. So opposite to this side is AC. So AC is the hypotenuse here. Now square of hypotenuse is the sum of these two side squares. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. This is the formula of Pythagorean theorem. Now if this right angle, that is B, is acute, then this AB square and BC square is greater than AC square, because when B is 90 degree below, then these two sides will have the greater value. But when this B is greater than 90 degrees, then these both sides value is lesser than AC square. This is about Pythagorean theorem. Now let's study about vertical angle bisector theorem. Okay. So now let's study about vertical angle bisector theorem. The bisector or the vertical angle of a triangle divides the base in a ratio of other two sides. Now the line which I have drawn here, this AD, this is a bisector of this triangle. Now this bisector is also bisecting the base, and this base is divided into two ratios, that is BD by DC. BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. Now here we can say, because I have written, because here the base is divided into two ratios form, and because of the sides the ratios is divided. So I have written AB by AC also. Now here the triangle of the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Here you can see same base they have said. This base and the same parallel lines are equal in area. How they are equal? What is the formula between them? Here we have triangle ABC, and also triangle ABD. Now if we take consider of these both, we are going, these both triangles are equal because they are having same base and also they are having same parallel lines. If the base is different, if the parallel lines are different, then these both are not equal. So this is all about the some triangles and also some important statements on triangles. Thank you friends.